Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove the Lexus IS250 back seat, step by step. We'll start with the lower seat cushion. You'll find two retaining clips at the front. Simply pull up firmly on the front edge of the cushion, near each clip, to release it. Once both clips are disengaged, you can easily slide the entire cushion forward and lift it out of the vehicle. This is a straightforward first step. Next, we'll address the seat belts. It's best to remove these early to give you more room. Look for 3 silver 14mm bolts securing the seat belts at the base of the seat back. Using a 14mm socket, carefully unscrew and remove each of these bolts. Once they are loose, gently thread the seat belts through their respective slots, allowing them to hang freely. This prepares the seat for the next stage of removal. Now, let's focus on the main seat back. You will find 4 black 12mm bolts holding it in place. These bolts are typically U-shaped and are located along the lower edge of the seat, near where the cushion was. Take your time to carefully unscrew and remove all 4 of these fasteners. Ensuring all bolts are completely removed is crucial before attempting to lift the seat back, preventing any damage during the next step. With all the bolts removed, the final step is to release the seat back from its upper hooks. Gently push the seat back upwards about 4 inches to disengage it from these retaining hooks. Once it clears the hooks, you can carefully pull the entire seat back assembly away from the vehicle. Remember to store all removed parts and fasteners in a safe place, making reinstallation much easier when you're ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.